Hazrat Zaid bin Aslam has reported from his father, during one of his journeys, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was proceeding on, and Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu was going along with him. So Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked something, but Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make any reply. He again asked, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make any reply. He again asked for a third time, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make any reply. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to himself, "May your mother weep over you. You asked a question from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thrice, but each time he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not make any reply." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu says, "I galloped my camel ahead the people and was fearing lest a verse of the Holy Quran should be revealed about me. A caller called me before long." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said that he said to himself, "I am afraid the only Quran has been revealed about me." He says that he went to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, greeted him, whereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yesterday night such a chapter was revealed to me as is dearer to me than all those things on which the sun rises." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited the chapter, "Inna fatahna laka fatham mubina." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5012.